I'm Shamla. Welcome to tutorial 6. In this tutorial, we are going to continue if and else statement of Python. In this program, as we discussed in the tutorial 5, we are going to discuss it in the tutorial 6. Here, the value of A is 2 and B is 2 if A is equal to B. Here we are going to compare these two values. These two values are equal. So when we are running this program, we're going to run this program. We're going to get the output as A is the smallest number, M belongs to F, M not belongs to F. What if I'm changing the relational operator equal to, I'm replacing equal to with A is not equal to B. Here the condition is A is not equal to B, it means but it is equal to B. Therefore here the condition is false, it should not execute, it should come out of this if else statement and it will directly come here and it is going to print if I am not belongs to if. I'm going to run this program and it is going to display the output as I am not belongs to if. There are other operators, AND operators, OR operators. We will see how AND and OR operators are used in this scenario. For example, consider one more variable C is equal to 4, A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3. For example, here A is less than B, and one more condition, and means I will say about this. I'm going to write one more condition, A is less than C, then A is the smallest number and belongs to if. So what is the meaning of AND or here? Here this is the one condition and it is one more condition, and means it is joining both the condition. This condition has to be true and again this condition has to be true, then only it is going to execute this statement inside the if statement. So here it will compiler will come here, it is going to check the first condition, yes A is less than B, it is true, and again it will check one more condition, A is less than C. Therefore it is going to execute this, run the module and check the output. What is the output of this program? A is the smallest number, M belongs to F, M not belongs to F. This is the output of this program. What if I'm replacing AND with R? What is the meaning of this? And I'm making the value of C as 1. See here, the value of A is 1, A is less than B, yes it is true, but A value is 2, C value is 1, A is less than 1, no it is false. Then also it will execute the if statement. Why? Because the meaning of R is either it has to be true or it has to be true, then it is going to execute this program. So this is the meaning of R. One of the condition in the statement is true, therefore it is going to execute this program. I'm going to run this module, I'm going to get the same output, it is going to execute all the three statement. This is about AND and OR operators. We will discuss about the Boolean data type. For example, if I'm making the value of A is equal to true, for example I'm making the value of A to true, true, and instead of all these conditions I'm writing just A. So as it said, whenever it checks the condition, it is going to say whether it is true or false. It means whether it is 1 or 0. Here, instead of checking the condition, we are directly assigning the value. What is the value of A? A is true. It has to be capital T, or it doesn't matter. We'll check. Yeah, it has to be capital T, because you can see the change in the color. If A true, in the sense, when I execute this program, what is the output of this program? A is the smallest number. I am belongs to if, I am not belongs to. I'm not belongs to if all these three print statements are executed. For example, if I am replacing the value of A with false, what is the output of this program? It will come here. It will check what is A is replaced with false. It will come here. It won't execute any of these two statement. If it will come out of the if statement, and it is going to execute I'm not belongs to if. I'm going to run this, and it is going to execute, and the output is I'm not belongs to if. These are the boolean expressions, and we are going to discuss about else, if, and else. uh, First we will discuss about else. What is if, else, if, else statements. As I said, indentation is very important. We have to write else over here. I will change the program bit, little bit. The value of A is 2, and again the value of B is 3. uh, I'm going to write the condition as A is less than B. A is the smallest number, else I'm going to write print B is the largest number. So execute this. You need to give semicolon here or here, and one more semicolon here. Run this. So what is the output of this program? Yeah, A is the smallest number. I am belongs to if, I'm not belongs to if. What is this? Okay, so what is the value of A? A is 2. 2 is less than B. Yes, A is the smallest number. It will execute this, and it is not going to the else part, because the first condition is true. It is going to execute the first part. It won't go to the else part. Therefore, A is the smallest number. I'm belongs to if, and I'm not belongs to if. What if the value of A is 4, and it will check the condition. The first condition fails, it will go to else. If A is less than B, no, condition is failed, it will goes to else part. I'm going to run this program. What is the output of this program? B is the largest number. So in this way we can find out the largest number among the given two numbers. So it is the program to find out the largest number between the two given numbers. And one more condition is else if. Else if you can write some condition. uh, what is that condition? A is greater than B, or something like that. Write something over here, and else you can write like this also. This is one more condition. If, else, according to your programming, whatever the application you want to develop, based on that you can use if, else. This is pretty much about it. Thanks for watching the tutorial. I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.